What up, though, you Will fam, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel with another video, exercising. We're gonna be doing a quick 5-minute follow along. The exercises, the strength and mobility that helped me achieve the pistol squat. I know there's a lot of other people doing what they do, but this is how I do what I do to achieve my goals. Hopefully it helped y'all out. Let's go. Okay, so the first exercise that I did is real simple. It's the deep squats. If you don't know what that is, for people out there, ladies, it's the mega knee, aka the mega knees. Fellas, it's when we play street ball and you gotta wait and don't want to sit on the curve, aka you bending down. Elbows on your knees. Simple as that. We're gonna do 5 deep squats. Starting off. Now you got 2 different ones. Make sure your ankles do not, we're gonna do 5 deep squats. Make sure your ankles, aka your heels, do not come off the ground. If they do, it's all right, but just make sure. This is the example. Now let's get into it. I'm gonna turn sideways, it's better. And you need some assistance, cool. Here's your chair. Now, if you can only bend so far, it's sideways. If this is you, hey, all till you keep working on it. If you can only get this low, keep working on it. But we're gonna move on. Next exercise, hopefully y'all starting to feel a burn. The next one is the deep, narrow squats. All right? Meaning, we go bring your legs closer in. Make sure your heels not off the ground. And then we're gonna go down all the way. Keep your heels from touching. Keep your heels from lifting off the ground if you can. If you can't, work on it. But if you can, that means your mobility and your strength is increasing and you're on your way to a pistol squat. But let's get these, let's do 5 of these, call it a day. Legs together, let's get it. Yeah. All right. Start feeling the burn. Move right on to the next exercise, which is leg raises. Hold. So we go, knee raise holds, my bad. So grab your one knee, hold it. Shift. I like to do 5 seconds. You see that you feel me, wobbly and shit. But that's cool though, because you're learning. You're gonna improve as you continue. But 5 seconds each leg, switch it out. Now, if that's good with you, what I like to do is mix the two. I like to do knee raise holds mixed in with the deep squats, something like this. Let's do 2 of these. All right, we're gonna move on to the next one. All right, the next exercise. After we just knocked that out, that was just 2 each leg. We're really 1 each leg. All right, we're gonna move on to the next exercise. That last one was a quick one. That was just a mix. But another one that I do, if you're still having trouble with your balance, I did I call it the roll. You know, roll back and forth on your back. That's what I did. Now I started on my back. And then y'all get it? Let's do 5 of them if you can. Or as many as you can, Let's go. All right. We're gonna move on to the next one. I just did 2. Hopefully y'all did more than me. All right, last one. As you can see, all of the exercises meet back in the middle, if you think about it. From the roll, back up into the deep squat, and then you got the knee raises, back down to the, you know what I mean? So, deep squat, alternating legs. My ankle was up, but that's what we gonna do. Many as you can, all right? Do it sideways. All right, that's 1. Oh shit, that's 2. That's 3. For video purposes, I'm gonna end it right there. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Like, comment, subscribe down below for more videos. Let's go.